Those are baby roots.
Wow, you keep going?
Yeah.
They're not baby roots either.
Mistake those for baby roots.
Go look that way. Go look by Mimi.
You have to be a little tall to see it. Oh, I see. You have to be short to see one and tall to see one. Look at all those eggs you got, girl. Golly.
Whoa, she's not tall enough. There you go.
Got it. Carry it. Let's go look at the front some more. Oh, Aaron's bag is full too.
Hang his basket.
We want to see what's in the prize.
Aaron, what's in the prize egg? You gonna open it up here? Already eating candy too, huh?
That's it.
Is that what you said?
The prize egg.
What's in that big blue egg?
Can all the kids in Healy get near the flower and let me take a picture?
What's in it, dude?
And you forgot something else. The tomato came running out. I had to tell you the funniest story about that. Wait, are we living in Carrollton? Kelly?
That was a bullseye, dude.
Kelly did that to me when I was in kindergarten in Easter. I did? She squirted a cherry tomato on my Easter dress. I totally forgot about that until just now. Baby, say that.